Welcome to this video on the MANAS360 Employer Wellness Partnership. Today, we're discussing the hidden patterns within your organization, the issues that only become clear once your best talent decides to leave. We're here to explore how leadership can identify these patterns and protect their team members anonymously. Leadership patterns like credit taking, gaslighting, or triangulation often remain invisible in standard metrics. They manifest months later as attrition, increased stress-related leave, or quiet quitting. By the time these issues surface, the organization faces significant pressure and the loss of valued employees. While these patterns might not appear on a dashboard, the costs are very real. Employees often suffer in silence, fearing that speaking up about a difficult manager or their own burnout will reflect poorly on them. Consequently, they stay silent, leading to further disengagement and eventually, their departure. To encourage genuine engagement, privacy must be built into the architecture. With MANAS360, you will never see who attends sessions, completes screenings, or what individuals share. Instead, you gain actionable department-level insights, focusing on the weather rather than any specific person, ensuring safety and compliance. The platform offers powerful tools to support your team, including an AI companion for judgment-free support, a 24/7 connection for immediate help, and real-time well-being signals. These, combined with improvement analytics and access to a verified clinical network, provide a comprehensive approach to employee wellness. This partnership benefits everyone. Employees walk away with coping tools and a confidential outlet, while sponsors gain defensible insights, such as department-level trends and verified clinical support. It's about equipping your people with support while providing leadership with the data needed to make informed decisions. How does it work? You can start with a free pilot, allowing you to co-host sessions without upfront commitment. You'll then measure anonymous engagement to see the real signal from your people. And only then, if it proves its value, would you consider a paid EAP contract. Catch the pattern before it costs you the people you can't replace. To book your free pilot or to learn more, please contact Dr. Venya Lankala via WhatsApp at +91 895 192 7280. Email us or visit our website at manas360.com. Let's work together to protect your best talent.